So now what I would take is that contour shade and go back around her jawline.
Tattoo, what I gotta do to be having you. I pay the avenue, top 5 since the end of
You're working with cream, so it's gonna all blend.
She a savage too, I'm a savage too, it's compatible. She was talking practice at a cuddle, got a battle boo.
This one's fire.
Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the master room. Met her in the trading switch, she sucking different and she tatted too. Yeah, my body different when I'm on for yeah, I'm an animal. And her body different, I'ma eat on that bitch like I'm Hannibal. I'm an animal, I get active too. I'ma eat that pussy like an edible. For sure. I'm from Percocet, but on mommy be popping that Adderall.
Oh yeah, this look fire.
No, it looks so good.
That pussy be perfect when you win it feel like it's grabbing you.
Drown it.
I love that.
Cause you want it to look like skin.
What I had to do, for sure. She got an attitude when she said the niggas like she mad at you. For sure.
Got an attitude, but I'm feeling this, so I ain't mad at you. And I'm tired of two, and it's fatter too, I'm your baddest boo. So what you about to do? Top one baddie in the jatty move. And my ass fat, cause I ain't my
What we doing
ooze,
now
my
is kind of
vegetables.
finessing everything. The face
And my
is
pussy fat, and it's creamy ooze, it's like animals. I'm a baddie, so I know them other bitches ain't impressing you. And I've been a baddie since a younger nigga, this ain't nothing new. Why these niggas in my face? Oh, because I'm rich and my money blue. I don't care what niggas say, cause I'm really paid, I'm untouchable. Making bitches wanna hate, she see me and she get uncomfortable. Make a nigga wanna play, say I'm pretty and sexy and munchable. I don't wanna rush with you, got a crush on you, wanna bust on you. Nigga got me in the mood, you don't fuck with me, then you fuck with who? And I brought a baddie too, she a weddie, ooh, giving Betty boo.